If you want to learn how to search in Firefox, this quick tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you're looking up a website, researching a topic, or trying to find a product online, Firefox makes searching simple and fast. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or your start menu, depending on how you normally launch your apps. Once Firefox opens, you'll see the browser window ready for browsing and searching. Next, look at the very top of the window and click the address bar. This is the long bar where you normally type a website address, but in Firefox, it also works as a search box. That means you do not need to open a separate search page first. You can search directly from here, which makes the process much faster and more convenient. Now type the word or phrase you want to search for. For example, you could type something like best laptops under 500 or anything else you want to look up. You can search for a product, a question, a news topic, a how-to guide, or even a website name. Just make sure your search term is clear so Firefox can return the most relevant results. After you type your search, press enter on your keyboard. Firefox will automatically use your default search engine and take you to the search results page. From there, you can review the results, click the most relevant link, or refine your search if needed. If the first results aren't exactly what you want, you can go back to the address bar and try a different phrase for better results. One helpful tip is that you can also use Firefox address bar to go straight to a website if you already know the full web address. But if you're unsure, just type the topic you want to search and press enter. Firefox will handle the rest for you, and that's all there is to it. Searching in Firefox is quick, easy, and beginner-friendly. Once you know how to use the address bar, you can search the web anytime without extra steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.